so sinister until you look a little closer. And then you see the women. That is wild. What a great piece of art. So, okay, there were some things in here. And no light in there. So let's see. What do we have? Those are a little beat up. Those are aerosol. All right. And what are these? These are aerosols. Aerosol. That's it. These are North style. Okay. All right. Alrighty. That's it. Let's see what else is over here. Fun stuff. Look at that. That is such a great pillow. Man. And the ottoman. They have such amazing furniture. It's just amazing in here. Wow, look at that. 36 with the chair. Now these are cute little lamps. These are cuddle down. Not sure what that means. Cuddle down king. Huh. Cuddle down king. How much? How much? $12. Not bad. $8. And okay. These are loop and threads. All right.
What is that? This is a boy and a girl.
Not sure
And this is a kid.
what this does. Oh. All right.
North Adams State College. Yeah, we went to North Adams when it was North Adams.
North Adams.
Yeah, MCLI, Massachusetts College of Liberal Arts. North Adams.
Those are cool. Well, I guess that was it for the shoes. There was more, but probably not. How much are these? 75. 10, it's broken. That one's 150. Oh. It's free yes paste. Huh. That's an old tractor. Even says a little tractor. $50. Okay. All right. Gunmetal. Let's see. Flex on. pasta holder.
Yeah, it really does.
Is this open?
I thought the basement door was blocked off, so.
Oh, okay. Well, have that, but nothing else. And we don't know how much it is. We'll find out.
He knows I'm here, he's not coming in. She'll get word to him somehow that I'm here. All I have to do, if she wants to play that game, I do.
A little dark in here.
Wow, they got plenty of apples. They got 3 on the top floor. An old library. Yeah. You know what's good for these? They fit some cassette tapes perfectly.
Okay.
That's sold on immediate ski boots. Yeah, those are gonna fit too.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, my back is a bit sore. Didn't spin as well as it could. All right. Well, that's pretty cool.
That's a good place for it. Floors have been refinished at one point. Yeah, they're pretty.
Something great about these. All right. We got those. Oh, look, it's a Diana bear. Must be worth $1 million. That's only $1. Look at that. I'm rich. All right. Cute little towels back there. These are adorable. Yeah, these are what? They're pumpkins. It's cute. Huh. I don't think I need them. Okay. This is interesting. Oops, she's got a broken leg. Oh, it's just tin. Okay, doesn't really do anything. All right. Okay, I went through it all.
Oh, yeah.
I knew there was another room.
Yeah,
I keep forgetting this room.
I know, I just keep wondering.
Oh, that's pretty. That's a nice box.
Oh, I had more of.
Pretty heavy.
I might have been tempted to buy some yarn.
There's some beautiful yarn.
Yeah. It's line burning on a lot of it. What's this one? Ooh, there's 3.
Alrighty. Let's see, I think there were more shoes in here.
Oh, it's a color.
And let's see. Let me put those out. What are those? Ruby red. Huh. These shoes. Okay. Knew there were more. Style. These are the Ionics. But yeah, I'm not crazy how that insert. thought it was supposed to be that way. Alright. And these are, yeah, these are the other ones. These are gentlemen. Alright, we'll grab those two. That's it. Now we may leave. Oh, now I can leave.